welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix app won't run unless you update Google Play services on Android. So if you also want to fix app won't run unless you update Google Play services on Android, this video is just for you. Follow these simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So if you're also encountering the error app won't run unless you update Google Play services, the only way to solve it is to update your Google Play services. For that, what you have to do is launch open settings on your device. You can see over here I've opened settings. Over here you'll be able to find several options. What you have to do is find the option for apps. Once you find it, simply tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to the apps interface. Simply tap on the option see all apps. Now after that, you'll be able to see all the applications over here. Over here, what you have to do is find the option for Google Play services. Once you find the application for Google Play services, all you have to do is tap on it. Now after that, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. If your Google Play service is not updated, over here you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your application will be updated. After updating, make sure to restart your phone to apply the changes. After that, your problem should be fixed. If you do not see the update option over here, that means your Google Play service is already updated. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix app won't run unless you update Google Play services on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.